Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Are you looking for a free way to manage your projects without paying monthly fees? Well, Focalboard might be your answer. It's a free open source tool that works like Trello, Notion, and Asana, but you own all your data. You can use it on your computer without an internet connection. There's no subscriptions, no cloud required. Just download it and start using it. The tool gives you 4 ways to view your work. You get Kanban boards for moving tasks around, table views for seeing everything at once, and gallery displays for visual projects, and calendar layouts for tracking dates. Starting is easy with built-in templates. There are boards for content planning, project tasks, meeting notes, and roadmaps. You can make your own boards from scratch too. You can add custom fields, set up filters, and save different views. It's pretty flexible. The desktop version is great for solo work and personal projects, but here's where things get tricky. The interface can be confusing at first. There's not much help with documentation, so you're kind of learning on your own. The desktop version doesn't handle teams well, and you can't add team members or set who can do what. If you need team features, you'll definitely want the server version instead. Some settings don't save properly when you close the app, which is pretty annoying. The learning curve is steeper than you'd expect for a basic board tool. So, should you use Focalboard? It's perfect if you want a simple task board for yourself, need to work offline, or don't want to pay for project tools. But if you need team collaboration, detailed permissions, or lots of help with guides, you might be better off with free plans from Trello or Asana. Bottom line, Focalboard is solid for personal use. It's free and private, just know it's not built for teams. Have you tried Focalboard yet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.